10 years of transformation, 10 years of challenges, 10 years of meaningful progress. A journey built on shared ambition, trusted partnerships, and the people who have shaped our story along the way. Trusted by over 428,000 Indian travelers. A strategic partner network across Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, India, and South Africa. Nearly 100 dedicated professionals. 10 years of growth have laid the foundation for a stronger future as VietnamTour.in enters a new decade with confidence and ambition. In 2015, Cine World Travel was officially founded, marking the beginning of its journey with Hello Vietnam Travel, Top Mekong Cruise, and Excursion Vietnam. These brands were dedicated to serving travelers across Europe, Australia, and North America, laying the foundation for a journey to connect Indochina with travelers around the world. In 2017, Cine World launched VietnamTour.co.za, officially entering the South African market, a strategic move that reflected our commitment to developing specialized brands for distinct traveler markets. From 2018 to 2020, Cine World was established as the parent brand, bringing together VietnamTour.co.za, Excursion Vietnam, Top Mekong Cruise. At the same time, VietnamTour.in was launched, marking the beginning of our journey into the Indian market, laying the foundation for what would later become one of our fastest growing markets.
Dịch Covid-19 đang khiến cho nhiều ngành nghề gặp khó khăn, trong đó đặc biệt là ngành du lịch.
Ngành du lịch tiếp tục đóng băng trước tác động của làn sóng Covid-19 lần thứ tư.
From 2020 to 2022, the COVID-19 pandemic presented one of the greatest challenges the global tourism industry had ever faced. Borders closed, travel came to a halt, and business operations were disrupted on an unprecedented scale. Amid the challenges, Cine World chose resilience over retreat. By preserving our core team, we continued investing in digital transformation, strengthening our operations, and preparing for a stronger comeback than ever before. In May 2022, as international travel reopened, Cine World quickly returned to the market. With renewed momentum, we enhanced our services, strengthened our operations, expanded our team, and continued to lead the way in embracing the new wave of travel. From 2023 to 2024, Cine World entered a new phase of accelerated growth, achieving a 300% increase in both revenue and workforce across the organization, strengthening our reputation as one of Vietnam's leading and most trusted travel companies, serving Indian travelers across Indochina. In 2025, Cine World continued its growth, serving key international markets across Europe, Australia, and North America, while strengthening its inbound tourism ecosystem. Today, as we look back on a decade of growth, Cine World is proud to have built a team of over 100 dedicated travel consultants, an ecosystem of 5 specialized brands serving over 500,000 travelers from more than 20 countries worldwide, supported by a strong network of trusted partners across Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, India, and South Africa. More than 2,500 5-star reviews on TripAdvisor and Google stand as a testament to the trust we have earned and the consistent quality we have delivered over the years. These achievements are more than numbers. They reflect the trust we have earned through continuous innovation, unwavering dedication, and the collective efforts of every member of the Cine World Travel team. As we celebrate 10 years of growth, we extend our heartfelt thanks to our customers, partners, and team members who have made this journey possible. Your trust has been the foundation of our success, and as we look ahead, we remain committed to delivering exceptional experiences, strengthening partnerships, and continuing our journey of growth. 10 years is not an endpoint, it is the foundation for the journey ahead. Thank you for your trust, partnership, and support throughout the years.